And we have Fox 4 Morning News anchor Chris Shaw at Shore Point Health in Punta Gorda. Chris, that's where the deputy sadly died early this morning.
Yeah, devastating news we're getting just one day before Thanksgiving. The people with the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office and this whole community just waking up to some terrible, terrible news about this deputy. Sheriff Bill Prummel put out a video on Facebook very early this morning saying the deputy had been involved in a crash on I-75 and, as you said, Lisa, was brought here to Shore Point, Punta Gorda, where he passed away. We have new details about what happened early this morning and late last night with this investigation. So let's bring in Fox 4's Bree Brownlee. She is live on I-75 near North Jones Loop Road with those new details. Bree.
That's right, Chris. We now know that that deputy was 23 years old, and the woman arrested from the crash, she's 30 years old, and she's in custody facing a DUI manslaughter. As you mentioned, we are here near the scene, and we are on the bridge above I-75. And if you can see that sign, that blue sign over there, behind it was where the deputy's cruiser was at. Now, FHP, who is over this investigation, sent Fox 4 an update within the last 30 minutes, confirming all these details, including the DUI manslaughter charge. The identity of the deputy still hasn't been released, but again, we do know he was 23 years old. The deputy was pulled over on the side of the road assisting with another car, and that one was when he was hit. During this holiday season, the Sheriff's Department is asking for support from the community.
I'm not going to be releasing the name at this time due to the fact not all the family members have been notified, but please keep them in your thoughts and prayers. Thank you and God bless.
Again, the driver from this crash is in custody. She is 30 years old. However, her name has yet to be released. Once we get more information, we will update you. Live in Charlotte County, Brianna Brownlee, Fox 4.
All right, Bree, thanks for the update there. And as we've been saying all morning, this is a breaking news situation. We are still very early on in this investigation, and we expect to get new details about this tragedy as the morning goes on. This is something that just doesn't happen very often in Charlotte County. I want you to take a look at your screen. I want to put a graphic up. In the history of the Charlotte County Sheriff's Office, according to the website, they have only had 5 other deputies or employees die in the line of duty. So this would be the 6th, and it's the first since 2013 when Sergeant Michael Wilson was shot and killed during a domestic violence call. It is never easy for law enforcement to deal with something like this, but anytime they have to, we see them come together. So in the days that will follow, we will no doubt see law enforcement from all over Southwest Florida and all over the state come here to Charlotte County to support their brothers and sisters behind the badge.